Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 1624, largest substring between two equal characters. So first we're going to look into the problem statement, and then we'll check out the approach which we're going to use, and at the end we'll see the code as well. So let's start with the problem statement first. So it is given that we'll get a string s and we have to return the length of longest substring between two equal characters, excluding the two characters. Okay, if there is no such substring, return -1. Okay, and after that, like, they have defined what is a substring. So to check out one of the example, I think example 2 is the best one to know what exactly we have to do. So equal characters basically means the same characters, right? So we have to find out the largest subsequence between two same characters. For example, in this case, same characters are AA, right? And the length of largest subsequence or substring is 2, because B and C are the two elements in it. Similarly, in the example number 3, we don't have any of the common elements or common characters, so that's why we are returning -1 in it. Let's check out the approach. It's going to be a very simple one to solve. So in the approach, what we are going to do, we are going to use a hash map or a dictionary. Okay, and what we'll be doing is we will be just simply keeping a track of when was the first time we saw the element. Okay, this will be used to store index of first occurrence. Index of first occurrence. Okay, so let's take this example only, like which we discussed in the problem statement. So s is ABBCA. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to use two variables, length and first occurrence. So in first occurrence, we will be storing the first in the index where we saw that particular character for the first time. Okay, and after that, what we're going to do, what we will just iterate the whole string one by one, and we'll just check for the two cases, if we have already seen the character or not. If not, then what? Okay, so if we have already seen the character, what we'll do, we will take the index where we have already seen that character, and we will have the current index of the element as well, right? So what we'll do, we will take the maximum of current length and the index which we are at currently, and when we saw the first when we saw that character for the first time. Okay, so we'll have these two values, and first occurrence hash map will be used to get the, to get this value basically, and we'll do -1. So we are doing this -1 to basically exclude the characters, to exclude the same characters. Okay, and if we have not seen the character yet, what we'll do, we'll create a new entry for it, simply with the current index. Okay, I is the current index in this context, and at the end we'll simply return the length, whatever the the value in the length will be returned. Let's do a dry run. For example, in this case, we have ABBCA. So we started the iteration with this element. We saw A was not here in the first occurrence hash, so we added that. We saw B was not there, we added that element. We saw C was not there, we added that element. Now when we came back again to A, and we have already seen that element before as well, right? So what we'll do, we'll take the current index, which is 3. We will get the index where the character was seen for the first time, which was 0, and we are subtracting out -1 to basically exclude the same characters, and we'll get the result what we wanted to have. Okay, let's check out the code for it. So this is a very simple code in which what we are doing, we are defining two variables, length -1 and my hash, like, is the first occurrence hash which we talked about. And after that, what we are doing, we are just simply iterating the string s which we have received, and we are checking if we have not seen the character yet, then we are creating an entry with this logic, with the current index basically. Otherwise, if we have already seen the character in the string before, then what we are doing, we are taking maximum of the current value of length or the new calculation. Okay, which is current index minus the index of the first occurrence of the particular character which we have at the moment, and -1. and at the end we are just simply returning the length. So let's check out the test cases. As you can see, the test cases got cleared. Let's submit it for further evaluation again. And the solution got accepted, and like this was the easiest solution which you can come up with. So thanks a ton guys for watching out the video. Stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.